What happens when sin is practiced openly without shame? What fate waits a nation that mocks divine warnings? And who was the prophet sent to stop a moral collapse? This is the story of Hazrat Lut alayhi salam, a prophet sent to the cities of Sodom and Gomorrah. A man who stood alone against widespread corruption, a final warning before a devastating punishment. The people of Lut lived prosperous and secure lives. Their cities were active centers of trade and travel, but immorality spread openly through their society. They normalized sin and rejected